What's up guys, you are watching Sid Gamings and today we are going to talk about the error NW-31374-8. It's a connection timed out. So go to settings and view PlayStation status network services. Sometimes the server is down, the DNS is not working. That's why your connection timed out and you are not going to online, or a PSN is not working, or you're not sign in, you are just sign out. So you just test it, it is not working, then you just simply wait and Sony will fix this up. And if you have your problem with your network, you just go set up internet connection again, the new one. And if you have a LAN cable, you can use from router to your PlayStation 5 and set up a LAN cable. If not, then you just try again and sign it again, and that's how you can fix this up. And here is the test internet connection.